Hey, welcome back guys to another tutorial of Power Apps. In this tutorial, we are going to create this functionality for the multi-line text box. The functionality is we are going to get only 100 character for the text box. Means when user types and when user types more than 100 characters, we won't get the character which has passed that 100 character limit. So we won't be able to get that. I'll show you how it works. Then we will start with the creating this project or this functionality. So I'll start with the typing. I am John Franco and I I am from India. I work as a software developer and my hobbies are football and listening to music. So if you saw, we have passed the character more than 100 character, and we are still able to type it. If I remove it, okay, I'll remove it. We can see it in a green. I'll add it again. I'll go till here. I'll remove it. I'll see it in a yellow. Means the color coordination and everything has been done for this. Now I can see it in a red. But if I see music, right? Yeah, I'll add this. It has already passed the 100, right? But how to find out when it has passed the 100? I'll add the text label here, and if I add this where text limit to the text, you know, see, I can see it till end. I can't see the music. Even if I type it, anything should be available here, right? But if I remove this, it has been removed. R cricket, cricket. Now I can see it here. And oh, I can't see anything. So this is how it will be. We will get only 100 characters, and we are going to change this, this color as well. So that is what we are going to do in this tutorial. So what I'll do, I will close this and I will close this also. This is the app which I created earlier. I have created multiple project patch, function to add, edit. Then I've created cascading drop down. There are multiple projects which I've created. If you haven't watched it, I'll recommend you to watch that. So, you'll get the idea about Power Apps. It is very basic, but very powerful project which I've created. So I'll recommend you to watch that as well. What I will do, I will create another screen here. I'll name it as, so this is the screen and I'll name it as screen max size. And then what I will do, I will add the text label here and I will add the text input here. Text label will be description and the size will be 18 and in a bold. Text input will have font size of 15 and the mode of this will be, we have a mode, right, where it is mode will be multi-line. I will increase the height for this and let's see uh, if we can type it multiple thing here. Yeah, I can. Now what I will do, I will go here and in the on change of this, I will add some formulas, some expression. So if open close length open close, what I will do, I will give it a name as txt input description max limit. Okay, now I will give it a txt input max limit dot text. When come outside this closing round bracket, when it is greater than 100, what we will do, we will set open close where limited text comma left txt input max limit dot text comma 100, come outside this comma this two closing set open close where this limited text comma txt input max limit dot text. I will scroll it down and I will format this so you can just copy it. What it is doing, it is getting only 100 characters of whatever has been put by the user. If user puts 150 character, it will get only 100 characters in a var limited text. Now once this is done, next thing what we can do now is in the default of this, I'll copy it and in the default, where is our, I will add the var limited text. Okay, so what it will do, I've added in a default. So what it will do, it will get only 100 character out of user has put. And if you are writing patch function, you are adding that data in a Dataverse or SharePoint, it will add only 100 characters. It won't add 200 whatever user has put. Like if it is less than 100, it is okay, but when it is greater than 100, it will add only 100 characters. So by adding this, you'll get only 100 characters. Now this is done. What is next? The next thing that we have to do is we have to work on the border now. So border color, it will be like this. If open close when it is 100 minus length open close txt input limit dot dot text, when it is smaller than equal to 0, then it will be color dot red, else color dot gray. Right, this will work. What I'll do, I will add some text. Hello, I am John Franco and I am from India. I work as a software developer and have around 7 years of IT experience. and my hobbies are playing football. I've added all this thing, but if you'll see, I've got only 100 and other than 100 has been deleted or removed. So this is how it will be. Now the next step that we have to do is we have to add the text label. So text label, I will add it here, and the text for this will be double quotes remaining and max open close. It will be 0. The minimum will be 0. Once it reaches from 100 to 0, we'll add length open close txt input dot text, come outside all this closing of round bracket, double quotes, comma, characters, and save it. It will be 0 for now, right? So starting will be 0 and it will go till 100, and we have to work on the color, right? So it will start with the green and goes with the yellow, then it will be red. So that we have to do. So what we will do, we will check the color property. We'll add the switch will be true. So 100 minus length open close txt input dot text, when it is greater than 50 characters, then the color will be green, right? Now if you'll see, you won't be able to see the green color, right? Because it is already reached 100 characters. You'll directly see the red color now. Minus len open close text input dot text, when it is greater than 20, it will be color dot orange, comma, again you won't be able to see orange also because you'll be able to see the red only. Open close txt input dot text greater than 0, comma, color dot orange red, and comma, color dot red. You can see, right, the color is red now. What I will do, I'll make it little bold and I'll do 15, and let's see how it looks now. I will go and I will remove it. It is 100 characters. I will add again, I am John Franco. I am from India and I am software developer. Now it is orange, right? With 7 years of IT experience. Now it is some orange red. My hobbies are, now it is red, and the background for this is also red. So this is how it will be. We are done. If I add hobbies are playing football, and if I close it, it is here. But if you add another text box here, text label, you add this thing, default, right? You add it here, you'll able to see till my hobbies only. So this is how it will be. If I run it again, even if I add anything, won't be able to see anything here. But if I remove it, developer, and I am a YouTuber, my channel name is Fun and Learn. If I click here, see, it is available till here. So this is how it will be. You can add 500, you can add 200 according to you. Only thing which you can do is you can go ahead in the change, where it is on change, you have to add it to the 100 here, like that. So this is how it will work, and here also it will be like this. If you are working with 200 or 500, it will change. For 500 it will be 500 here, same way. You can check, like from 500 to 300 you have to show green, you can add 300 here. From 300 to 200 or maybe 150, you have to show the orange, you can add it here. From 150 to 50, you have to show the orange red, you can add it here. And finally, when it reaches the zero, you have to add the red color. So this is how it will be, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned about the validating the multi-line text box. So that's it. Thank you and bye. And I'll be back with another video like this.